Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to the 8K video extreme stress test comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. So the main purpose of me doing this kind of video is because to demonstrate which phone will be having what kind of higher temperatures levels. So I'll try to play this kind of 8K video in a loop continuously for about close to 30 minutes of time. In the 30 minutes of time, we'll try to see which phone becomes much higher temperatures. That is what I'm going to target. So using the 8K video with full brightness, yes, with full brightness. So this will definitely utilize a lot of CPU and the GPU performance to play a 8K video. It's not a joke. So it is going to put a lot of pressure on the phone as well. So let's see which phone will be surviving in this kind of extreme conditions. So right now, as you can see friends, I did load the 8K video in all the three smartphones at the same time. So all the three phones are ready with the 8K video and with full brightness. And with full brightness without compromising anything, let me try to start playing the video at the same time in all the phones. All the phones are started to play at same time, as you can see friends, with full brightness. This is going to be really very interesting to see, and let's start the stopwatch as well. So I'm going to be back after maybe close to 15 minutes of time, and then we'll be able to check how is the temperatures handling in all the three smartphones. So this is a very good test to see which phone is utilizing what kind of performance levels and how much temperatures the phones are actually generating during this time of testing. This is an extreme 8K test. So this is what I call extreme 8K test. And there is no Wi-Fi connection. Everything is set into mobile in the airplane mode only in all the three smartphones, airplane mode. So this is going to be a very interesting thing to test. And let's check the temperatures in the beginning. 39.8, 37.6, 37.2. As you can see, in the beginning started to increase. So as I said, the Oneplus Nord 2 will tend to get increase a lot in the I think in the beginning. So after certain temperature, it will try to stop. So I think let's see what will be the maximum temperature the phone can actually reach using this 8K video testing. So this is going to be really interesting. So again, I'll be back after 15 minutes of testing. So right now, as you can see friends, we are close to 15 minutes of time. 15 minutes of time, let's check the temperatures. So OnePlus Nord 2 increased to 42.2 degrees, 42.4 degrees as you can see. 42.4 in the highest in the OnePlus Nord 2. The back side 41.4. And Poco F3 GT 40.2 degrees, the temperatures as you can see on the Poco F3 GT. On the back side 38.4 is the highest, not bad. And third is our Realme X7 Max. Let's check the front side 41.2. On the back side it's gone to 40.4 degrees. As you can see friends, the difference between temperatures. So again I'll be back after close to 30 minutes of time, then we can actually discuss in more regarding the temperatures. So right now the temperatures are highest in the OnePlus Nord 2 device at this moment of doing the test. Again I'll be back after 15 more minutes. So right now, as you can see friends, the time is about close to 30 minutes of time. For 30 minutes I'm playing continuously. 43 degrees it increased in the OnePlus Nord 2. 43 degrees as you can see, 43 in the OnePlus Nord 2. In the Poco F3 GT also increased to 40 degrees. Poco F3 GT for only 30 minutes of playing continuously 8K video non-stop. And in the Realme X7 Max 41.6. As you can see, 41.6 is the highest. So far the 43 degrees is the highest in the OnePlus Nord 2. So 43 degrees and 40 degrees and 41.6 degrees. As you can see the temperatures how they are between all of these three smartphones. So there's a quick extreme 8K video comparison between all of these three smartphones friends, and overall the results were quite interesting because the OnePlus Nord 2, we do know the OnePlus Nord 2 slightly getting a little bit kind of higher temperatures every time. Yes, so it doesn't matter 8K or 4K or any test. So it's OnePlus Nord 2 always will have 1 degree more than these two phones. Yes, 1 degree. So whether doing the annual benchmark test or maybe playing the games PUBG, Call of Duty or Battlegrounds Mobile, any game, 1 degree will be more when compared with this 2 Dimensity 1200 chipset. That's the one thing I did understand in my testing. Not only playing this 8K or doing this benchmark, even for the normal usage as well. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is a quick comparison between all of these three smartphones. I hope you understand what is the problem and what is the phone which has got the higher temperatures in the extreme test. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.